How to enable hardware acceleration in Brave browser. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can enable hardware acceleration on Brave browser. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Brave browser in your device. After that, navigate to top right corner, click on the three-line icon. From here, click on Settings. Now under settings, navigate to this sidebar on your left hand side, scroll down and head towards system, click on system. On the system, there is this graphic acceleration. Previously, it was known as hardware acceleration, but now you will find it as in graphics acceleration. So to enable it, you have to turn on this toggle right here. That's it. That's how you enable hardware acceleration on Brave browser. After that, make sure to click on the relaunch. Then your Brave browser will restart in your device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.